Hi guys, this video is a brief overview of my website and how to use it. The video you're seeing right now will be posted here, and you can either use these tabs up here or the three lines to move around the website. For now, I'm going to use the tabs and the three lines, but for the first one, I'm going to use the tabs. So if I click on the tab, it darkens, and if I hover over a tab, it darkens as well. And the photos when you hover over them, give it a little title, and you can even like. So if I like that photo, there'll be one like, and you can share on any type of social media, and you can download the photos. If you click on the photos, however, you can do this, and then use the arrows to move around. It even gives the title description right here, and yeah, that's basically it. And then that's the same for urban and nature. Urban photography is actually kind of easy because I live near the city. And nature, because there are a lot of photos in here. I'm surrounded by nature, and it's also my favorite genre. So I'm just going to like one because I like it. And then the About Me page, it's about me. So that's my photo right there, and there's a little paragraph about my photography career. There's the contact me form, so if I put my name in to just show you how it works, and I'll put my subject, hi, and test. And send, success, message received. Now if I don't put my name in and put my email only, and test, I'll go, please fill in all the things, because your name is obviously required. And yeah, and if I put my name in and not put the email in, so remove that, send, please provide a valid email. So if I go I'll go back here. So that's my website. Hope you like it. I can assure you that I will not spam your email. Thank you.